How to enable Google Assistant on Android phone. If any day any of you are an Android user and you would like to enable Google Assistant on your very Android phone, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Google application on your mobile device. For that, you have to find the Google application on your mobile device, and after you find it, you have to tap on that. After tapping on that, now you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now what you have to do is you have to go to your profile like icon on the top. After tapping on the profile like icon on the top, now you have to tap on the option of settings. After tapping on the option of settings, now you can see an interface like this. Here you have to tap on the option of Google Assistant. After tapping on the option of Google Assistant, now it will take you to an interface like this. Now after it takes you to an interface like this, you have to just scroll down. After scrolling down, you can see all the features of the Google Assistant out here. You can see it as well. Now what you can do is you can go to the next option, that is devices here, and then tap on the devices. After tapping on devices, now what you can do is you can add the very device to the Google Assistant here. You can also link the very Google Assistant to the other kind of devices that you require. Otherwise, what you can also do is you can go to the option of you here, and after going to the option of you here, you can also mention all of your settings here. You can change the nickname of your very Google Assistant, the places there, the transport, and all of those. And you can also go to the option of the general here, and after going to the option of general here, you have to enable the Google Assistant by tapping on this, and this is the way on how you can do. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.